The market always tells you exactly where it wants to go. The problem is most traders do not understand the message. So in this video here, I'm going to explain how to read the charts and how to map out your market structure in a way that you can understand and get good trades. So as you can see from this diagram, we have an uptrend, then we have a consolidation, then we have a downtrend. So whenever we're in an uptrend, you're just waiting for the market to give you breaks of structures to the upside. So let's say we had a break of structure right here. What you're waiting for on your charts is for the market to give you a pullback. This pullback here will tap into an area of interest, then push to the upside, taking out what the previous high right here. So when you read out your structure, this is your low, this is your higher low, and then this is your lower high, and then this is your higher high, then this is your higher low, then this is your higher high, right? Then this is your higher low, then this is your higher high. So you can clearly see that the market was pushing to the upside, break off structure to the upside just like this, and the momentum that you're waiting for is for a clean pullback into this area so that you can take those buying opportunities. So now looking at the consolidation part, it's where we don't do anything, honestly. That's where we just leave the market as is, just because there is no opportunity for us in this area here. So when it comes to your downtrend, the market will create lower highs and lower lows, guys. So whenever you get a break of structure like this, you get your lower low, then you get your lower high, and then after getting your lower high, the market will clearly push to the downside, taking out this lower low, getting a new break of structure to the downside just like that. So this is where you are going to be looking for selling opportunities only. As you can see, we create a lower low, we create a lower high, which means that this is a new break of structure just like this. Then we are pushing to the downside, and after getting a break of structure, obviously there is a lower low that's going to come up. Then we get a pullback, tapping into an area of interest, and most importantly respecting the lower high just like that, and then giving us what, a new lower low just like that. And that means that you get a new break of structure again around this point, expecting what, another lower high to pop up so that you can start doing what, start looking for another selling opportunity, respecting the lower high again, this new lower high being respected. Then you get those nice selling opportunities from structure. So now I'm going to show you an example on NZD JPY so that you can get to understand or get a feel of how the market really operates, guys. So let's get into the charts. Okay, guys, we're on the charts. So as you can see here, this structure was pushing to the upside, obviously. So we had a high here, we had a low, then we had a higher high, higher low, then we created a higher high again, of which I missed this area of interest right here, is because this is a clean break of structure. And after having a higher high, we had a lower low, giving us what, a break of structure to the downside, or a change in trend around this point here, around this particular point right here. Then after having this change in trend, the market created what, a lower low, then created a lower high right there, of which it was around these areas right here. And we respected what, we respected the previous high, of which it's this one here. As you can see, we pushed to the downside again, breaking structures around this point here. Then after breaking structure, you can see that the market was clearly pushing to the downside up until we broke structure to the top just around here. Then we continue to push up. As you can see, we broke around this point, and let me just remove this. Then we went to create a lower high, then we went to create a higher high, of which that's where the market was showing us that we are pushing to the upside. As you can see here, we had a break just around this point here. After having a break of structure to the top, we did what, we broke the previous low, of which it had to be respected. So if it gets taken out just like this, it means that we are no longer looking for buys, we are going to look for selling opportunities. As you can see, we created a high, then we went lower low, of which this area here was supposed to be respected. This low here was supposed to be respected so that we can continue with the buys. So since we had a change in trend around this point, it means that we are going to look for selling opportunities targeting this low point here. So as you can see, already the motion has already happened. As you can see, we pushed to the downside nicely. So the current movement there I'll be looking at this stage, you can clearly see that we tapped into this area of interest around here. We created a lower low, lower high, lower low, liquidity, of which this is for another video. And then we had an imbalance. We pushed down, we took out the liquidity, then we filled the imbalance, that's when we sold off very aggressively. So now we had this lower low here. Let me just point it out for you. So we had this lower low right here, then we had this lower high right here, then we had a lower low right here. So now what I'll be looking for is some nice selling opportunities. As you can clearly see, this is the extreme zone that we have on NZDJPY, of which it's nice to look at structure like this. And what I like about this overall setup is that it also had liquidity around here, which it's relatively equalized. Relatively equalized will show you that there is liquidity at the top. But like what I'm trying to understand is what we are going to do around this point, just because there's already an imbalance area at the top, just like this. But like that does not stop us from taking any opportunity, guys. We can just start looking for selling opportunities, and you can clearly see that on the lower time frame we have already created structure. So if you look at it around here, we had this as a high, then we had a low. So let me just show you. So we had this as the high. Let me just remove this a bit. So we had the high right there, then we had the low being taken out just around that point here. So this is a change of trend, as you can see right there. If you look at the 15-minute, you can clearly see what I'm talking about. We had the high, we had the low, we had the lower high, then we had the lower low, which that shows that the market is trying to show us that we are going to push to the downside very soon. So that's why I'm telling you that this is a great setup, very, very great setup. And it seems like we had relatively equal lows around this point also. And that is liquidity, guys. But like I'm gonna cover liquidity concepts on another video. That's if you don't understand. And you may drop a comment below saying liquidity, then I'll understand if you want that video to be dropped on the channel, guys. Now make sure that you drop a like and comment, and I'll see you on another one.